Welcome to our very powerful business community here. I'm Sean Player, coming to you from the beautiful city of Orlando, Florida. And as you can see on the screen, we're going to talk about today this amazing company called Epic, which stands for Exceptional People, Incredible Compensation. So we're going to dive right into this amazing, lucrative opportunity here, and let's get to it. Now, we always say here in Epic, shouldn't you be the first at least once in your life? Now, I'm sure you're probably thinking, man, isn't that a very interesting question? Why shouldn't I be first? And I think today you guys should be first at least once in your life. Now, what do we do here? We do the skill set of Forex. So, what is Forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange. It's the foreign exchange market. It's the most largest financial market in the world, grossing $6 trillion a day. Guys, this market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and it's used daily by your banks. That means central banks, institutional investors, and individuals around the world are able to partake in such a thing called Forex. But most importantly, your banks are doing this with your money. So why shouldn't you be doing this with your money? Now, who are we? Epic is a global company that provides the environment for people of all backgrounds to learn a lifelong skill set of Forex trading while also pursuing their financial dreams and goals. Guys, we cover it from A to Z here. We're an environment where people can learn this amazing skill set right from the comfort of their home, right from their cell phone, as long as they have Wi-Fi. Our company is 100% debt-free. We are industry leading Forex traders and trainers. Guys, it gets no better than this, right? We are also able to do this all right from our phone. So it's amazing, amazing, amazing program. Meet our corporate leaders. Meet our Epic leadership. Listen, guys, you probably heard everything rises and falls on leadership. And we have the creme de la creme right here in Epic. We have an amazing host of leaders, each individually in their own right have done amazing things throughout our industry. Each of them have charted and paved the way for guys like me to partake in this industry. And I'm just amazing. I'm just overwhelmed. I'm just thrilled to be a part of this amazing company with this amazing leadership team. You see right there, we have Mr. David McCovey. He's the founder. We also have Mr. Spencer Iverson, who's the president. We have Mr. Mark Sterling, which is the VP of Sales. Mr. David Lisiaga, he's the VP of Business Development. Mr. Jonathan Green is the Global Master Ambassador. And Miss Coach Max is our Director of Forex Training. So guys, individually, these individuals have over 100 plus years in network marketing. So we're very, very grateful to have them be our leaders inside of Epic. Now, we always talk about the Epic advantage. Sean, what separates you from everybody else? Guys, as you see on the screen, we have a lot of things here that separate us from the pack, so to speak. Of course, we have enhanced data security, which is very important. We have a comprehensive, fun, and professional Forex training. But guys, most importantly, what separates us from the pack, we are about the people. Now, let's talk about the services that we offer here inside of Epic. We offer live sessions, daily signals via our Epic News Network. So it's not CNN, it's the ENN. See what I did there? We also offer Epic Forex Signals, Epic University, Epic Study Hall, where you're able to tune in to our Forex traders. You're able to tune in and get inside of the classroom, so to speak. And we also do our Epic Trade House community. But most importantly, guys, what you're getting here is you're getting access to live trades happening daily. We do live trade sessions happening daily. You're also getting access to free Forex signals, guys, and more. Now, it gets better than all that. So you ever wondered, Sean, how can I do my marketing? How can I take my business to the next level? We have that embedded inside of our amazing program. We have the freeforex.com, which is the industry's most powerful online marketing system. Have you ever wanted to be great at marketing your business? Have you ever wanted to be able to broadcast your business to a large group of people? You can do that right through freeforex.com. Have you ever been online and you may have searched a t-shirt or something, and then you pop on Facebook and that same t-shirt is popping on your news feed? Well, we have a system like that right inside of freeforex.com. We also have the amazing Epic phone app. Guys, this app is taking the business by storm. This app has cut all the hard work out. You can do everything through this app. You can share the presentation. You can schedule three-way calls. You can even get to your back office via this app, which is amazing. And we also have our Epic Swag store. Guys, you can rep the brand, you can rep the company right from this Epic Swag store. So it's absolutely no extra cost. All of this is included in the monthly IBO fee. There's no extra cost for these amazing add-ons and incentives by joining Epic today. So here's our disclaimer. We're finally getting to the money, right? Everybody wants to talk about the money, but we here at Epic, we cannot and will not make any guarantees about your ability to get results or earn any money with our program, because we know the system works, but we don't know if you will work. So this is our disclaimer right here. So let's jump right into this amazing compensation plan. Guys, it's a one-pager. It's very simple. All you need to do is just share this program. If you do so decide to share this program with 3 excited people, guys, it'll take you to the moon. You see our compensation plan here has the ability and the potential to bring you $1 million with inside of this amazing company. And so, hey, like we always say, let's be epic. All right. Now let's talk about our epic rewards here. This is the creme de la creme of the industry incentives. We talk about our epic ring program. Guys, just found out that you get this ring and you also get cash on top of that ring. You get an opportunity. Once you advance inside of the program, you get an opportunity to do Mexico or Dubai. How would you like to own a timepiece right here inside of Epic? They are giving certain levels. Once you advance in the company, they're giving you a Rolex timepiece, and it gets the big ride. You get a Lamborghini award. So, guys, all of the awards, all of the support, everything is inside of this amazing program. And how can you get started today? It's that simple. You can get started today. You can become an Epic Scholar today with $134.99, and you can begin to learn and share the benefits of trading Forex. And once you decide that you want to go big time, you can upgrade to an independent business owner by simply only paying $14.99 when you're ready to earn money from the compensation plan. Now, note, just $134.99 per month thereafter to remain an active scholar. So what we're saying here is that you can become a scholar today for $134.99. And if you decide to share this with 3 individuals, that $134.99 will begin to be waived. And at that point, you can upgrade to an independent business owner position here inside of the company by only paying $14.99 when you're ready to earn money from the compensation. So we always say here inside of Epic, we are the world's ultimate trading and lifestyle company. And guys, why be average when you can be epic? Listen, I'm so glad that you decided to watch this program, watch this Amazing presentation. I want you to go ahead, take the opportunity, think about what we talked about, think about what you like best, and get back to me, Sean Player with BetOnYou.com.